Hi everybody, welcome to 1142 North Pegram Street. We're here in the wonderful family room, sunroom. This is a beautiful home, super upgraded property. Perhaps you're going to raise your family here, perhaps you're going to downsize here. So much thought and detail has gone into this home. We'll have a list of extras for you to take a look at. All the windows are first class, the blinds are all hidden. We have surround sound, we have recessed lights. Everything was done top of the line for these owners who thought they were going to stay here a long time, but now you can own this home. We have gorgeous landscaping out here, a fully fenced yard with a beautiful stone patio. We also have a beautiful deck up here that you'll be able to see. And when it's time to come on back into the family room, of course, you've got the wet bar, granite tops, soft closed drawers, everything. So we're really looking forward to showing you the rest of this home at the end of this week, and you can see it on video, you can request an appointment, and you'll love it.